and welcome to this week's vlog. Today is Sunday, June 20... what? June 27th? Is that right? Wow, time is really flying really quickly. I am 15 weeks pregnant, and today we're going to be harvesting potatoes. And I'm also going to give you a little chicken update. All the chickens are doing great. We're going to let them hang outside with us this evening. It is a really lovely summer evening in the garden. It's 88 degrees, but cooling down, I hope. Let me take a look. 85 now, so we are on the way down, which is great. But I'm gonna let these girls out. They're gonna come hang out with us. Probably terrorize my garden a little bit, but that's okay. Now let's go over to the garden and check everything out going on over here. The main objective, like I said, is harvesting potatoes. So all of the greens on top of my potatoes have died back. And so I'm gonna go ahead and harvest. I may be even a little late. I probably could have harvested a little earlier when they started to die back. But this row right here is the potato row. There's lots of weeds, so just ignore that. It's all gonna be fine. You can see lots of potatoes sticking up out of the ground, so I'm just gonna dig up this whole row, harvest all these potatoes because lots of the greens have died back, and it's time to do that. And my assistant William will be helping me. Can you see all of these green tomatoes that I have? It is, and my corn has finally got its tassels. Everything is looking so good. Look at that little tomato blessing. Yeah. All right, William, you ready to get started? All right, I'll put you guys on time lapse. Enjoy us digging up potatoes with chickens everywhere, probably. There's a rogue chicken right there. Oh, it's gone. But they are all super healthy. The new chickens are molding in great with my old chickens. I don't know what Luann's doing. She's off on her own right now. And the other birds over here, but it's fine. I wish they wouldn't go right there. That's where they're gonna be pushed next. Oh well. Look at these broccolis coming up. Yum. And definitely a lot of pest pressure right here, but you know, that's organic gardening. All right, William, let's start. So when it gets dark, they put themselves up, and I'll see if I can get the omelet door closing. We'll see in a second. If you're in here. Hello. That's good, they know where to go to bed at night. So they're all in there now. And let's check out what the omelet door is gonna say. So it's got, you can't read that, but it's gonna close in 4 minutes, which should be fine. Hello and welcome to day 2 of this vlog. It is now Wednesday, June 30th, and we are going to be harvesting the rest of the potatoes on the first day. We did not quite finish harvesting all of the potatoes because it got dark outside, and I also hurt my knee. I don't know, I guess harvesting potatoes, or maybe it's a like pregnancy ligament thing, I don't know. But I wanted to come out here and show you what we have going on right now. So these are all of the potatoes from day 1. And what I'm doing right here is called curing. So I'm in my garage, which is nice and humid and warm. And this helps the skins of the potatoes to get nice and tough and ready to be stored for a long time. So I have them all just laid out here in a single sheet. It would be a little better if I could space them out, but I ran out of room, so it is what it is. And you can see we got a really good harvest on day 1. There are quite a few large, these Yucca Golds did really well. I've got lots of big ones of them, and I've also got lots of these red ones as well. And you want to leave your potatoes dirty. As you'll notice, there's lots of dirt, and that will help them to store longer. There's also lots of these small, you know, they call them in the store new potatoes. Those are also really delicious. I have them all just in here mixed together, and they're all curing out here in the garage. Then these potatoes down here were the ones that were slightly green, as you can see. You do not want to eat those potatoes once they have started to sprout like that. They make a chemical that you are not supposed to eat. And so these I'm going to probably save and use them as seed potatoes for next year in the buckets. But I'm gonna grab those buckets, go outside, and we're gonna finish up the row of potatoes. Wow, 15 going on 16 weeks pregnant. Oh, I have the best clip of our baby moving in the ultrasound from our doctor's appointment on Tuesday, and I will throw that in this video. It is like so cool to me that you can see the baby moving, but I can't feel it yet. So anyways, okay, let's head outside.
What you think, Libby?
I'm very excited. This is much more than we could see last time.
Yeah.
So there's the face and spine.
Yeah. So here's the little face. Oh, baby's going little feet right here, trying to kick itself in the head.
Oh, good.
Little toes.
Wow. It was moving a lot.
Yeah. Very
Showing
active.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I just saw it. Oh, I saw it do it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Cutie pie.
I
Wow.
think it's a little hard for me to see the head.
You don't see the head?
I mean, I
I
do.
see it.
Right here.
Yeah, I can tell. I just saw it move its legs. That was crazy. Awesome. All right, here is day 2 harvest.
Look what I did.
So in total, we probably filled up, what, 3 buckets?
3 full buckets. So you got at least 150 in each of these.
150 in each bucket.
Maybe 2 hundo.
Okay. What do you think total number of potatoes?
500 plus.
What about pounds?
Probably 25 or 30. I don't know, at least 80 pounds.
In each bucket? Oh, 20 pounds each bucket.
20 to 30 each bucket.
Which was right? We could probably weigh them somehow. Will you
Oh,
carry
yeah,
that bucket
scale.
to the garage for me? And that other bucket you can dump in the compost. Thank you. Now for part 2 of this process, I'm gonna take the bucket of potatoes we just pulled and lay them out on this table, which is my overflow area. William got some stuff to clean his new truck. So this is gonna get messy before it gets better, but I'm just going to dump the potatoes here and then spread them out. Nala is here to help me make sure none of them fall. Okay, not too many casualties. Only a couple fell. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and hopefully that's all of them. And so what you want to do with this, okay, is just spread them out in one even layer so they can all cure. And some more might fall off, but that's okay. Yep. Oh, that was under the car. So just gonna spread them out here, and they can start curing. You want a humid place for potatoes because if you do a dry place, they'll like dry out and the skins will crack and then they won't keep. So you actually want a humid place for potatoes, which is the opposite of some other stuff. And you want to go ahead and take out any potatoes that started to green because you can't eat them and they'll like start to green your other potatoes. And yeah, that's it. Leave them dirty and let them cure. I'm gonna try and get this one that rolled under the car. Oh, it's all the way on the other side. Got it. So that is it for today's video, guys. This is harvesting potatoes. This was my first time growing potatoes, and I would say that it was a wild success. And that was harvesting potatoes 15 weeks / 16 weeks. This is one that's like greened. 15, 16 weeks pregnant. So you can definitely do it. No excuses. Get out there. It's really easy to grow potatoes just like in a 5-gallon bucket. Drill holes in the bottom, and then all you gotta do is turn that bucket over and pick up all your potatoes. You can do this with potatoes that have sprouted in your cabinet or in your fridge. Super easy. I even think if you started them now and you live in a warm place, you might be able to get a harvest out of it. So I would definitely give it a whirl. I'm gonna plant beans in the spot where I planted these potatoes after I fix that row up a little bit. But that'll be at another video. I am 16 weeks today, changes on Wednesdays. Feeling good, although I did throw up this morning. I think my prenatal vitamin is making me pretty queasy, so if anyone has tips for that, let me know. I also got my first round of hand-me-down baby stuff. Got like little play toys and things I'm very excited about. I also got a bunch of hand-me-down cloth diapers. So excited. I am currently sunning them to get the stains out with a little bit of lemon juice because they didn't come out with just the sun alone. If you have any other tips of like not harsh chemical ways to get stains out of cloth diapers, drop those in the comments below. I would really appreciate it. So that is it for today's video. I'll see you guys back here next week for a video on maybe some more second trimester stuff. We'll see you then. Bye. Okay. Bye.